In the heart of the blistering Death Valley, there exists a phenomenon so mysterious and unexplained that it has captured the imagination of curious minds for decades. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley, also known as moving rocks, have stirred up intrigue and bafflement amongst scientists, thrill-seekers, and supernatural enthusiasts alike. What could possibly cause these enormous rocks to move across the arid desert floor without any human or animal intervention? The answer remains shrouded in enigma. Picture this. You find yourself in one of the hottest places on Earth, surrounded by a vast expanse of parched land that stretches as far as the eye can see. Suddenly, you stumble upon a trail etched into the ground, not made by any creature or vehicle but rather by an enormous rock that seems to have moved across the landscape all on its own volition. The sight leaves you spellbound as you wonder what mysterious force could be at play here. As you delve deeper into this captivating mystery, you learn about various theories that have been proposed over time. Some speculate that it is an act of Mother Nature herself. Perhaps strong winds or even ice formations are responsible for pushing these colossal stones across miles of dry terrain. Others believe extraterrestrial beings are at work here. After all, if aliens exist elsewhere in our vast universe, who's to say they haven't visited our planet and left their mark in such an inexplicable manner? The Sailing Stones have been known to leave trails measuring hundreds of feet long. Some even change directions abruptly. This perplexing riddle has led many brave souls to attempt their own investigations, equipped with cameras and determination, hoping they may capture evidence revealing the truth behind this eerie occurrence. As night falls over Death Valley's desolate landscape and chilling winds sweep through its canyons like whispers from another world, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe at nature's mysteries that remain unsolved. Are the Sailing Stones a testament to some unknown force lurking beneath the surface of our understanding? Or are they simply an extraordinary natural wonder that continues to defy explanation? The Sailing Stones of Death Valley beckon you to embark on a thrilling and emotional quest. One that challenges your beliefs, stirs your imagination, and leaves you questioning the very fabric of our existence. So, gather your courage and venture forth into this enigmatic world where nothing is as it seems, and unlock secrets that have been hidden for centuries. Will you be the one to unravel this ancient enigma? The quest awaits.